Hello fellow AGDXers and welcome to another video. And they say necessity is the mother of invention, and that's why I've added another feature. I was working on a little demo and I thought, wouldn't it be nice if I could do this? And having managed to find a way to reduce a couple of bits of code, there is space for it, so I decided to give it a go. So basically this all relates to objects. Now as you can see here, I'm working again just using Nixie as a demo, and you place your object like this as per usual. Now one of the things, the first thing I thought was, well, wouldn't it be great if we could browse the screens to place an object? That's pretty straightforward. You now press plus and minus on the keyboard and you can browse through the screens just like you can with other areas such as the screen editor or the placement of sprites. So you can do that now. Now the other thing you'll notice here is there is a flashing object there because now all the other objects on the screen will now be printed on the screen. This is something I really wanted to add. Found it quite frustrating if I had more than one object on a screen, couldn't tell where the object was. And so as you can see here now, we can browse through and we press O on the keyboard and it will toggle any other objects on the screen on or off. So I'll just put that back where it belongs. Yeah, so you just press O, and if there are other objects on the screen, they will blink. You basically tap O and they'll blink so you can see them. So that was one thing, and then I thought, well, since I've done that, then it'd be nice if we could maybe see objects when we are placing sprites, because obviously there's one there. We want to well, basically determine where an object is. It can affect our sprite placement, so that's another addition. And then finally I thought might as well go the whole hog and put the objects in when you are editing screens as well. Now initially I was slightly concerned this might cause some screen corruption, but as it turns out it's not been a problem. You just press O and tap O again, and an object, if there's an object on that screen, it will blink. And if you draw over the top of it, so if I say draw here, then the object will disappear and you draw the screen, and then you just press O again if you want to see your object. So very straightforward, very simple and easy to use. So yeah, that's it. It's quite a nice new addition. I think you'll agree. I certainly found it useful. It's one of those things you don't really think you need until you actually have it, I suppose. Yeah, so I hope you found that useful. As always, please leave feedback. See you on the Facebook page, and happy coding. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye bye.